The asphalt you see around the school was laid just at the time we came to first year.
Wow.
And we had a demonstration we call First on Asphalt. So the very reason of an asphalt being there was good enough reason for students to go on demonstration. So you can understand how it was back then.
Hello, viewers. Today we have with us another really important alumnus, Engineer Joshua Mortoti. And he was formerly a president of the Chamber of Mines. And well, let me leave it to him to tell us more about where he's worked, what year he graduated from here. When he came, he said he left this place about 30 years ago. He hasn't been back. That's how long ago he was on campus. You're welcome to our show, Alumni Connect.
Thank you, Efia. Pleasure coming back to my old school.
Yes.
Yes.
Your alma mater.
Absolutely.
So we'd like to know when you graduated.
Right. So I actually entered this university in 1991.
Okay.
And graduated in 1996. I'm sure people will be wondering how come it took 5 years. Two things happened during my time. When we started in 91, there was a strike by students and all across Ghana, and we were all sent home for 9 months.
Oh,
so
wow.
we stayed home for 9 months. And we came back, and in our final year, there was a university teachers strike as well. That kept us home for 7 months.
Wow.
So we ended up finishing our course in 5 years and something.
Wow, sorry about that.
That's okay.
So what course or program did you
So
read?
I did mechanical engineering. So my first degree was a bachelor's in mechanical engineering.
Okay, as far back as 1990.
96, yes.
Interesting.
Yes.
Back then things were not like this because you talked about how much things have
It's changed a lot.
Yeah.
I have not been here for the last 30 years.
Yeah.
So a lot of things have changed.
Lots of things have changed.
Lots of new developments, which I'm thankful for. There's a lot of progress. It seems is happening here. And maybe what gave me a little bit of, how will I call it? A feeling, a sinking feeling in my stomach is to see a lot of my lecturers named after buildings because they've passed. Efo Kwame,
Yes.
Kumaple,
Kumple,
all these, Brew Hammond, these are all people who taught me. And to see that they've passed, and it's good the university recognizes the work they've done, but it just hit me hard that the years have passed.
Well, so what was like when you were in school?
Interesting. We had a lot of interesting time. And I'll tell you a simple story.
Yeah.
The asphalt you see around the school was laid just at the time we came to first year.
Wow.
And we had a demonstration we call First on Asphalt. So the very reason of an asphalt being there was good enough reason for students to go on demonstration. So you can understand how it was back then.
Oh,
it was
wow.
a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was.
Yes.
It must have been. You had smaller class sizes and
smaller class sizes. In my class, we were 37. The whole of it was then School of Engineering.
Yes.
Was by 150. So that's just one
now.
discipline. Yeah.
Who was the dean during your time?
I think it was Akufo. Professor Akufo was dean. Yes,
your time.
I think
what
so.
was it like being a student in your time?
In our time, things were hard. Obviously, no computers. Well, there was one in the computer lab. You have to queue for it.
Only one?
And the only time you get access is after midnight. So if you have any projects to do, you've got to see the lab technician and be friendly to him, and then he'll come and call you after midnight for you to work.
For you to actually do your work?
Yep, that's where we were learning some of the programming languages, C+. Some of them don't exist anymore. Fortran doesn't exist anymore. But those were the things we were learning and writing back in the days. Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, so how did you land where you are at the moment, and where are you at the moment?
Like I said, it's a journey, isn't it?
Yes.
And it's not a step ladder. It's not one after the other. It's not in a sequence like that. And in my speech at the event, I said I started as a mechanical engineer, but I'm a mining engineer now. Actually, my registration under the Ghana Institution of Engineers is under mining engineering. So I'm part of the chemical engineering division, although I'm actually a mechanical engineer. I'm also a mining engineer, by the way. So it's been a bit of a journey that has gone that way. It even went into energy, went into what you call today supply chain, went into operations, went into project finance, went into finance. I became an accountant, so I'm a fellow of the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants.
Wow.
You know, yeah. So there's a lot that one did in the last 30 years. But like I said, I mean, it's been interesting. I've had the privilege to manage really big organizations. Until very recently, I was the executive vice president for Goldfields West Africa.
Yeah.
So I was overseeing the whole West Africa business for Goldfields. When I left Goldfields, I formed a new company called Vortex Resources Mining Group, with the express aim of translating this 30 years of experience working for the majors into creating an African platform, gold mining platform, because we don't have any. You know, we don't really have any that's owned by Africans that's focused on Africa. So Vortex has been built to do exactly that. So that's what we're working. I've been able to bring together a really strong team of people who have worked with me over the years in the different companies that I've worked in, all around this vision of creating a Pan-African gold platform. And we are doing a number of things across both West Africa and Southern Africa at the moment. So that's what we've been busy with.
That's wonderful, Mr. Mortoti. We are really proud of you. Thank you so much. We are so grateful.
It's a pleasure, and I'm looking forward to working more with the university.
Definitely.
I know one of my failings is haven't had a lot of time with the university. Hopefully will be enough time to give some more to the university.
Definitely. We'll stay in touch with you and then ask more of you.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
Available.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.